Welcome to this video tutorial on orientation for pre-test, that is English proficiency test. This is a step-by-step guide to take the test. Before we start talking about pre-test, let me inform you that this pre-test, that is English proficiency test, is mandatory for each student of Marwari University. So irrespective of your branch, your course, it is compulsory for everyone. This pre-test is the first step to help you to improve your proficiency in the English language. The result of this pre-test will help us to offer you a suitable online English course. Let us talk about the structure of the pre-test. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 modules, namely listening, writing, reading and speaking. The total time for this pre-test is 180 minutes. During this 180 minutes time, you need to complete 3 modules called listening, reading and writing. You can select any module as per your convenience. For example, you can start with listening, you can start with reading, or you may start with writing. But you need to complete all these 3 modules within 180 minutes time. Now the 4th module, that is speaking test. The speaking test is conducted separately and it is based on the content, the answers written by you in the writing module. That means the examiner will ask you questions from the answers written by you for the writing module. The time for speaking module is 5 minutes. Now, how to go for this pre-test? Step number 1 is you need to open MU login page from the web portal. That means you go to Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox and you write MU login page from the Google. You will find the link for MU login page. After that, you need to apply your ID and password. That means the ID password that you received through SMS from Marwari University. When you apply ID and password and log in successfully to MU portal, you will find on the front page one banner or a big button where you will find written English proficiency test into bracket pre-test. And you will find one button over there, click here. When you click on that button, you will be redirected to the page of pre-test, where you need to go and read and understand the instructions and take the test. I advise you people that you read and understand all the instructions, and you will find one checkbox there. You need to tick that you have read all instructions. When you click on that, only after you will be allowed to go for accessing the modules. After that, you can select any module that is from listening, reading and writing, and one by one, step by step, you can complete these 3 modules. As mentioned earlier, speaking test will be conducted after this. As mentioned earlier, speaking test will be conducted after completion of this LRW, that is listening, reading and writing modules. Let us talk about quick tips for English proficiency test. Number 1, before you start English proficiency test. You need to verify your ID and password. And if you are going to log in for the first time, you need to log in before you go for the test, because it might ask you for updating, changing your password. There may be some pop-ups in terms of faculty feedback, mentor feedback, hostel feedback, like that. So you can complete those things, and you can, on the day of exam, you can directly go to the exam page. Second thing you need to take care is you need to check for the stable internet connection. You make sure that you have a stable internet connection so you do not lose internet connectivity, and you can go for the test comfortably. If you have any problem to log in the portal, you can consult and contact your CC so that your query can be resolved. Fourth thing, as there will be a listening test, so it is advisable to keep one headphone or hands-free with you. Fifth one, as there will be a writing test, we advise you students to use laptop. However, if you wish to go for mobile phone or tablet, you can go for it. Step number 2, at the time of starting English proficiency test, as you have logged in earlier, it is easy for you people to log into Marwari portal. So you can quickly log into the portal by using your ID and password. When you log into the Marwari portal, you will find one banner, one big box on the front page where you will find written English proficiency test into bracket pre-test. Exactly below that there will be a button, click here. So you can click on that button and you can be redirected to the exam page. When you reach there, you need to read the instructions, understand it, and you need to tick one checkbox at the end of the instructions and submit. After that, you will be able to access 3 modules, LRW, that is listening, reading and writing. You can select any module one by one and you can complete these 3 modules. Step 3, while taking the English proficiency test, you will have 30 minutes time to complete each module. Do not try to open any other tab or seek help from others while you are taking the test. Do not try to copy and paste any material from any other sources. If you do so, you will get to know it. Completion of all 3 modules, you can submit the test. Step number 4, after the English proficiency test. As mentioned earlier, your English proficiency test will be conducted in 2 parts. First part will be for LRW modules, that is listening, reading and writing modules. Your speaking test will be conducted after LRW modules. Your speaking test will be based on the answers of your writing module. That means whatever you have written as answers for the writing module will be the base for your speaking test. If there is any mismatch found in your writing and speaking, you will lose your marks. So make sure that you be honest and sincere while writing your answers. Your speaking test will be scheduled separately. You will get the link of Google Meet and you are required to join at the given time only. That means if you are given time 6:30, that means you are required to join at 6:30, not at 6:25, not at 6:20, because every student will be given a time slot of 5 to 7 minutes. So it is possible that when you join Google Meet, at that time somebody's speaking test would be going on. So you may disturb somebody. So that's why you are requested to join at the given time only. In case of any query or difficulty, you can write to us at OEC, that is Online English Courses, OEC @marwadiuniversity.ac.in. Dear students, now I'll show you login demo from mobile phone. For this, what you need to do is you need to go through Google Chrome. You open it. When you open, you need to log into Marwadi's login page, wherein you need to add your credentials, that is your username and password. When you click on login, this website will take you to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Now here on the front page itself, you will find here English proficiency test, that is pre-test. What you need to do is you need to simply click on it, click here button. This is as simple as you log into any other platform, right? And after completing your test, what you can do is you can just click on the logout button and you will be out of your English proficiency test page, and you will be out of English proficiency test page. This is as simple as that. Fine. Dear students, now we will see the demo how we can log in from laptop. From your laptop device, you need to reach to this Marwadi University's login page. After that, you apply your ID password and click on this login button. You can be redirected to this page. This is called dashboard of your portal, students portal. Fine. Here only you will find English proficiency test, that is pre-test. What you need to do is you need to click here and you will be redirected to the test page. Here the students has completed the test, that's why it is mentioned exam completed. Otherwise you will find 3 modules here: listening, reading and writing, that you can take one by one. Here you can click on this and you can find the general instructions, so you can read and understand the instruction. You can click on OK button. At the time of taking the test, you will be asked to tick on one checkbox. That means you have understood and read all the instructions carefully, and then you submit the button. After that you will find 3 buttons over here that will be activated. and you can take any module one by one. After the completion of the test, when you find this message exam completed, you can log out from here so that again you will be there on your students portal. From here also you can log out.